Sector of a circle has a central angle of 50 degrees and an area of 605 square centimeters. Find the radius of the circle. Okay, so gawa tayo ng circle. Then, sector daw. Gawa tayo. 50 degrees daw to. Then, yung area niya is 605 square centimeters. So, to yung area na yan. 605. So, recall natin yung area ng sector. Area of the sector is equal to r squared theta over 2. Where theta is in radians. So, itong 50 degrees, pag i-convert natin ito sa radian, multiply lang natin ng pi over 180 degrees. So, pag calculate natin ito, divide 180 is 5 pi over 18. Ito yung sukat ng theta. Since yung A is 605, so 605 is equal to r squared times 5 pi over 18 over 2. Then, multiply na natin ito ng 2, bale 605 times 2 is ito, di ba? Lipat natin sa kabila. Then, divide natin ng 5 pi over 18 or reciprocal na lang ito. Bali, times 18 over 5 pi is equal to r squared. Then, r squared is equal to calculator 605 times 2 times 18 divide 5 divide pi is approximately 1,386.558. Then square root na lang, then r is equal to approximately 37.24 centimeters. So this is the radius.